HCC Southwest Career and Job Placement Services recently held an event that connected students with future employers. Dr. Carolyn Davis shares insight.
Today we're hosting our first Advanced Manufacturing Career and Employment Roundtable and Fair. And this event is scheduled, set up as primarily a premier event that will allow students to take time to actually interact with employers, and employers will be able to talk to students up close, ask questions, and they won't have to just shift around very quickly, but they can take their time and get to know the employers. The employers can get to know students, and we've given them a list of points to talk about, and some of the points are: what is your company about? What is the culture like? What type of employee are you looking for? And what is the future of the industry? What are some of the challenges in hiring new people, and some of the things that our students need to prepare to be able to be relevant in the future in this industry?
This is a fantastic event. We appreciate HCC hosting this event to allow us to come and interact with their students that we found to be great potential new team members at ATEC Inc. And for us today, our goal is to try to help people understand what ATEC does and provide a little bit of history to the students, and hopefully encourage them to apply to the many open positions that we have.
It's very important to host these type of events at the college because, again, we bring the employers to the college, and in the sense of the workforce building at Stafford, the Advanced Manufacturing Building, the employers get a chance to see the operations, to see the equipment that our students are being trained on. And everyone that I've spoken to today are very excited about this advanced manufacturing facility. They're excited about what our students are learning. And I'm telling you, I am really motivated to recruit more students to this program because we don't have enough students to fill all the jobs that they're looking for. But most importantly too, when the employers come to the campus, they're able to understand more about what our students are going through, why it's so important that they are a little bit lenient in some of the ways that they recruit people. They know now that our students are qualified to fill these jobs, and they don't have to wait until they get a four-year degree.
For us at ATEC, we found ourselves in having a real need to grow. And with that, we've engaged the college systems around, and HCC is absolutely one of the best. And what we found is the students here are taught a foundational learning in machining that allows us to plug them in very quickly and get them to work producing the kind of products that we need for our customers.
We would like students to know that Career and Job Placement Services are here to assist you with getting involved, getting connected with your career, with your passion, most importantly to identify what that looks like. So it's very important that you contact us at 713-718-7718. Be inspired and be motivated, and most importantly, be connected to your career.
For HCC Beat, I'm Raquel Sims.